Trying to build a solid plumbing toolkit without wasting money on junk? You're in the right place. Today on Tools Query, we're breaking down the 15 best plumbing tools on Amazon, from pipe wrenches and pliers to PEX crimpers and drain snakes. If you're a pro plumber or a weekend DIYer, every tool on this list earned its spot. We tested the reviews, compared the specs, and picked only the ones that are actually worth your money. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list of the best plumbing tools on Amazon is the Rigid 818 aluminum pipe wrench. This 18-inch wrench is the gold standard for plumbers, and for good reason. It handles pipes up to 2 to 1/2 inches in diameter, weighs just 3.75 pounds, and it's made in the USA with a full lifetime warranty. The secret is the aluminum I-beam handle, which makes it about 40% lighter than cast iron models without losing any strength. The forged alloy steel jaws are replaceable, so this wrench will literally last you a lifetime. If you only buy one pipe wrench, make it this one. Next up are the Knipex Cobra 10-inch pliers, and honestly, these might be the best pliers ever made. They feature a push-button adjustment system with 25 positions and self-locking jaws that grip pipes and nuts without slipping. The teeth are hardened to 61 HRC, which means they'll outlast just about anything you throw at them. What really sets the Cobras apart is the pinch guard that protects your fingers and the box joint design for rock-solid stability. They're German-made, have 14,000 plus reviews on Amazon, and carry a 4.8 star rating. Once you try a pair, you'll never go back to regular channel locks. Coming in at number 3 is the Rigid Easy Change Wrench, and this thing is a game changer for faucet installs. It comes with 3 interchangeable inserts that handle everything: supply line nuts, strainer baskets, and 2 to 6 tab mounting nuts, all in one compact tool. The short body is designed to fit into tight spaces under sinks where other tools just can't reach. At around $25, it replaces multiple tools in your bag. Reviewers absolutely love it. Many say it's the single greatest tool they've ever used for faucet work. A must-have for any DIY bathroom or kitchen project. Number 4 is the Rigid Tubing Cutter. This little guy is tiny but mighty. It cuts copper, brass, aluminum, and plastic tubing from 1/4 inch to 1 1/8 inches in the tightest spaces where full-size cutters can't fit. The knurled feed screw gives you precise control over cutting pressure, and the grooved rollers are perfect for close-to-flare cuts. Plus, there's a spare cutter wheel hidden right inside the knob, so you're never stuck without one. At just $15 with Rigid's lifetime warranty, every plumber should carry one of these. At number 5, we have the Knipex Pliers Wrench, and this tool is an absolute legend. Unlike regular pliers, these have smooth, parallel jaws that grip without damaging chrome or polished surfaces. That makes them perfect for plumbing work on decorative faucets and fixtures. With 19 adjustment positions and a jaw capacity up to 2 inches, this single tool replaces an entire set of open-end wrenches. It's got a 4.9 star rating with over 9,000 reviews, one of the highest-rated tools on all of Amazon. If you work on plumbing fixtures, this is non-negotiable. Moving to number 6, the crimp Ratchet PEX Cinch Toolkit is your entry point into PEX plumbing. This all-in-one kit includes the cinch tool, a PEX tubing cutter, and 30 stainless steel clamp rings in 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch sizes. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. The ratcheting mechanism ensures a secure connection every time, and it also works as a clamp removal tool for repairs. It handles PEX sizes from 3/8 inch to 1 inch, and at around $35. It's an incredible value. This is Amazon's best seller in PEX tools for a reason. Number 7 is the Bernzomatic TS8000 torch, the most popular plumber's torch on Amazon, with over 12,000 reviews. It features an instant trigger start ignition, so no more fumbling with separate strikers. The optimized swirl flame cranks out up to 12,936 British thermal unit and works with both propane and propane pro gas. What makes this torch stand out is the pressure regulation. It works consistently even when inverted. The adjustable flame control and run lock button make it ideal for soldering copper pipes of any diameter. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this is the torch that professionals trust. At number 8 is the Duratec Telescoping Basin Wrench, and this is the best budget basin wrench you can buy. It extends from 10 to 17 inches with 4 locking positions, so it adapts to virtually any undersink situation. The spring-loaded jaw pivots 180 degrees and auto-adjusts to grab nuts from 3/8 inch to 1 to 1/4 inches. The chrome-plated steel shaft is slim enough to slip past pipes and drain lines in tight spaces. The sliding T-bar handle gives you solid leverage for breaking stubborn nuts free. At just $20, this is a no-brainer for anyone doing faucet replacements at home. Number 9 is a 25-foot drain auger with a drill adapter, and this is one of those tools every homeowner needs but nobody buys until they have a clog. The 25-foot steel cable reaches deep into drain lines, and the included drill adapter lets you power through tough blockages instead of cranking by hand. The spiral auger head grabs hair, soap scum, and grime, and the flexible cable navigates tight bends with ease. It comes with work gloves and fits pipes from 1 to 1/4 to 3 inches. At under $20, this tool pays for itself the very first time you skip the plumber. A solid budget pick for every household. Coming in at number 10 is the SharkBite U702A deburring and depth gauge tool. This little tool does 2 critical jobs. It removes sharp burrs from the outside of cut pipes and marks the proper insertion depth for SharkBite push-to-connect fittings. It works with 1/4 inch to 1 inch copper, CPVC, PEX, and HDPE pipes. At under $8, this is one of the cheapest tools on our list, but it's also one of the most important. If you're using SharkBite fittings, skipping the deburring step can cause leaks. This tool is made in the USA and takes the guesswork out of push-fit connections. A must-have accessory number 11 is the Duratec 3-piece aluminum pipe wrench set, which includes 10-inch, 14-inch, and 18-inch wrenches. These are about 40% lighter than cast iron models, with drop-forged chrome molybdenum steel jaws that are heat-treated to resist distortion. The non-stick adjustment nut and self-cleaning threads make these wrenches smooth to operate, and each one has a hanging hole for pegboard storage. At around $45 for all 3, you're getting an incredible deal. That's less than what a single rigid wrench costs. This is the best starter set for anyone building a plumbing toolkit on a budget. At number 12, the Populo 20-volt cordless electric drain auger takes drain cleaning to the next level. This battery-powered snake features a 25-foot auto-feed cable, variable speed up to 560 revolutions per minute, and forward-reverse controls that do all the hard work for you. No more tired arms from manual cranking. The 20-volt lithium-ion battery provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, and it includes a charger, storage bag, and gloves. The built-in LED work light helps you see what you're doing in dark spaces. At around $90, it's a premium pick, but reviewers consistently say it pays for itself after a single use. Best for pros or frequent DIYers. Number 13 is the iCrimp F1807 PEX Crimper Tool Kit, and this one was actually named Best Overall PEX Crimp Tool by Bob Vila. It comes with 4 quick-change jaw heads for 3/8 inch through 1 inch crimp rings, plus a tubing cutter, go or no-go gauge, and a decrimping tool, all in a carrying case. This kit meets the ASTM F1807 standard and works with all types of PEX tubing. The adjustable lock screws let you calibrate the tool for precision, and the decrimping tool means you can reuse fittings if you make a mistake. At around $65, it's the professional-grade PEX kit at a DIY-friendly price. Coming in at number 14 is the Rigid Model 15 tubing cutter, the full-size companion to the close quarters cutter we covered earlier. It cuts copper, brass, aluminum, and thin wall steel from 3/16 inch to 1 to 1/8 inches with clean square cuts every time. What makes this cutter special is the built-in fold-away reamer. After you cut, you just flip it out and ream the inside of the pipe without reaching for a separate tool. The oversized X-Cell knob gives you a firm grip for faster cutting. At around $23 with Rigid's lifetime warranty, it's a tool you'll use for decades. Closing out our list at number 15 is the AFA tooling deburring tool. And don't let the low price fool you. This thing is fantastic. The 360-degree rotating blade follows pipe contours to remove burrs from copper, PVC, brass, steel, aluminum, and even 3D printed materials. With over 8,600 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, this is one of the highest rated tools in its category. The aluminum handle is lightweight and comfortable, and extra blades are available for just a few bucks. At under $8, there's zero reason not to have one of these in your toolbox. A small tool that makes a big difference. And there you have it, the 15 best plumbing tools on Amazon for 2026. If we had to pick just two standouts, the Rigid 818 pipe wrench and the Knipex Cobra pliers are the foundation of any serious plumbing toolkit. All the links are down in the description below. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to Tools Query, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.